Alright, so when I rolled last night, I was doing like a berm slide and I was trying to slide up and it was just going to ride off the edge. But it was so dark I couldn't see that I was clear up top on the bus and I fell off down onto my cage, which really sucked, and my cage hit pretty damn hard. So I won't be doing that again. But lesson learned, pit party started. Got the truck set for pit party. I was going to go up here, get my crew shirt on. Matt's going to do the same. Yeah. Let's get it done. Nice hat, man. Hey, man, that's a nice hat. Yeah. I got a hat too.
Smash for fun. Is that what it is?
I don't know.
Smash for MS, but we'll just say smash for fun.
Some fans gave us some hats in the pit party. It's awful nice of them. Goofies are nice. Yeah. Nice people. Now we're going to do a driver's meeting. See if we can sharpen this show up.
Where's your hat? Jim?
Yeah, where's your hat, Jim?
Which one?
Your hat.
Oh,
to cover that mess.
Oh, yeah?
That balding mess.
That's a mess?
Give hats out to top drivers. I didn't get one.
You gotta be careful, you're just gonna start doing that soon.
You ready?
Ready.
Got your big boy underwear on?
Yep, I had to change it last night.
Alright, good. Yeah.
Fire suit on.
Ready?
Question is, are you ready, Mikey?
I hope I'm ready. I forgot how to drive here lately. Damn.
We rolled every weekend.
Thanks, Matt. It's like you on Triple Threat.
Yeah, but guess what? I just asked for another one.
Look at this famous guy. Look at it. Look at it.
You asked for your dog, I asked for new thunder.
Famous guy right there. Getting ready to do intros, so let's go right to two-wheel, guys. Well, that was two-wheel, destroyed the hood. I'm determined to destroy this whole body, so popper ramps kind of suck, but whatever, let's get through it. Hood's off, good to go. Let's go racing. That's it for racing. I got taken out in the second round. Tanner Root got me. He ran a great pass, so good job, Tanner. So let's just save it for freestyle and go have a decent freestyle. Trying to conserve this truck too. Got one more show tomorrow, and we have a long weekend next weekend, guys, so I have to have something left of this truck, but let's go out here and try to do a decent freestyle. in the finals. What you playing, man?
To have no plan.
Freestyle. You don't have anything planned?
No plan.
Nothing cool planned?
No,
You just go out there and wing it?
pretty much.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm not good at planning.
I see that.
Yeah.
That's good.
Planning's pretty boring.
Just go with the flow.
Yep.
Alright, man. Well, have fun.
You can plan all you want.
What?
I know you plan a lot.
I'm playing the first 2 hits and then I roll over.
Or like you're just saying, you're playing the first hit plus all the shots.
Yeah. Yeah.
But that's not part of the plan,
No.
is it?
No. Alright, well, good luck.
I might try it.
Alright. I'll be watching. We're doing some car racing now. Then we're going to go into freestyle. It's a nice day. Well, my rear steering stuck. I had a wire come off, and that started flopping pretty good, so I'm kind of glad that happened. That way I didn't lose the cab. I was just honestly being very conservative in that freestyle. It was a long weekend last weekend in Bloomsburg. This is a long weekend, and then tomorrow, or not tomorrow, next weekend, we have 3 shows, but one's in Virginia, one's in Pennsylvania, and one's in Michigan, back to back to back nights. And just trying to be conservative. I still want to do a good show, but still, you know, we have to run smart all the time. It's not always go out there and bury the truck into the ground. All right, got the hood back in one piece. A lot of bolts, screws, things like that. Working on getting the bed sides. We're not going to put them on for tomorrow's show. We're just getting them ready for the next week because our turnaround time is going to be really small. So this one together. Fun stuff. Don't roll over. See what RJ's up to. What? It's too loud, man. What?
What?
Shocks?
Shocks.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Hell in here, humble and proof.
Take one off the other side, swap them.
You're slow at shocks, man. So got all the body parts pretty much pieced back together. It's gonna go together easier this week when we get home and have to put the body back on the truck. We won't be spending a lot of time doing that. So that's helped us out. I'm just gonna run with no hood or bedsides tomorrow just to get through the show. It's already beat up. I pretty much can't drive anymore, it feels like. So, but I've just been getting aggravated lately. You probably sense my attitude through the camera. It's just so hard to keep my composure sometimes and video myself on camera. But I'm just so frustrated, you know, I just want to explode. But I still want to bring the content to you guys and show you guys what this is all about. So I'll catch you guys back here in the morning. We stopped up here at Signal Hill before the sun went down. You see St. John's behind me, beautiful city, beautiful view. Signal Hill right there, the Atlantic Ocean right there. There's some whales down there messing around. It's just a beautiful city. We got out here before the sun went down. Love it. Done pit party, got trucks moved into position. Looks like the rain's holding off. It was supposed to rain today. RJ. It's supposed to rain today. I don't think it's going to. It's going to be a decent show. So I'll go up here, get suited up, put some air in the tires, and let's get the party underway. Intros are wrapped up. They just did freestyle motocross. They were luckily able to get it off with all the wind and the rain that's happening this weekend, so they did a great job. I still love watching freestyle. Brings me back to my good old days. So now we got to go do two-wheel skill. They really don't have the right ramp set up to get it up on the nose, and I'm just not really going to deal with that today. Just going to go out and do a couple jumps, get through that. I got Jimmy Cretin first round, so let's see if we can knock him off. But remember guys, we still have a long week ahead of us, and we have that busy weekend next weekend. So like I said, it's really hard to go out there all the time and burn that truck into the ground. But I still want to put on a great show and do the best I can for these fans under what conditions we have. I'm nervous too. We lost the flywheel on this transmission, or on the flywheel is bolted to the torque converter. That's what the starter rotates, is your flywheel, and he chipped a big part off of it, so he couldn't come back for racing. It's a little too dark, I can't zoom in for you to see it. But so now they got to pull the tranny forward and turn it, and then put a new flywheel on it and put it back together so he can come back for freestyle. This truck's pretty easy to work on, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Well, here's the issue, the flywheel. This ring goes on this flywheel like this, and it just broke off and spun off, so a lot of runs on this flywheel. So got a new flywheel on there, but that was the issue. Couldn't restart the truck, couldn't make it to the line, which really sucks, but at least he'll be able to make it out for Freestyle. And luckily his truck's really easy to work on compared to mine. Mine's a pain to get the tranny out, so the transmission's going back in now. He should be done soon. Fork a spindle. That's it for that. It's definitely being extra conservative out there. Just didn't want the truck to break. It was the weekend was hell enough, you know, with everything that went down, so I didn't need to go out there and really break something else and make the weekend that much worse. So like I said, I got a busy weekend coming up. RJ broke a wheel off, so we'll walk down there and see what he did.
Somebody had to go out there and get big air because nobody else is going to do it.
I definitely didn't. All right.
It happens.
Get in the trailer.
Yeah, we're getting in there.
Alright guys, that's the end of the weekend. It's raining now. It's been a frustrating weekend, just kind of aggravating, and just I didn't even film everything that went down, honestly. But I appreciate all you guys. Like I said, your comments keep me going, all your appreciation for me and our team. And thank you guys. We do love you guys. And keep the comments coming, guys. Keep the views coming. Subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.